Yo, 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 yo. What is up, everyone? Let's give it 2 minutes for everyone to get in here. See what's going on here. Market is down 1.77%. On FedEx's statement. Right, this is right, inflation. We also have their the meeting on 20th and the 21st. Right, FedEx withdrew their statement, if I remember correct. Let's see. Crazy. All right, FedEx is down 20%. They lowered their earnings. They also came out with like a pretty bad statement. Right, they're down 20% in pre-market. Taking a look at SPY. Right, this is the post that I made, everyone. Let me bring it up. What do we got here? 2-hour SPX inverse chart. Right, this looked primed to go back to 3,900. Right, we move below 4,000. This can test 3,900. If that happens, we could test 3,700 again. Right, so let's go back to SPX now. Right, so I made this post when SPX was at 40, around 4,000 or so. Right around here, I think. Yeah. And now we're gonna be right there. Target basically hit. Crazy. That's all just from trend lines, everyone, right? Support and resistance is all it is. Simplicity. Make everything simple. Right, here was the trend. Right, we broke below, and then we broke below this level here. Right here is SPY with the pre-market action. If everyone can drop a like on the video, I would appreciate it. What's everyone looking at open here? Right, previous support, previous support, previous support. We finally broke below. All right, we got the move down, consolidated a little bit, and then broke down again. Levels I'm looking for a bounce is this 380.55 level. Why this level? Right, previous support. Right, acted as a resistance a few times, acted as support, and then acted as another support right here. Pretty major bounce. So gonna look for a 380.55 for a bounce again. What's up, Jay? What's up, everyone? Get some activity in the chat. Challenge count 20. I mean, hopefully. I mean, I'm not going to push a play that's not there. Let's see what else we got. QQQ down 1.4% pre-market. IWM 1.56%. All right, this kind of played out perfectly as well. What's up, Raphael? Take a look at Tesla. I kind of like this trend line here. Right from the lows. It's like sitting right there pre-market. I guess if you do it like this though, it's gonna be kind of messed up. Let's see what this does here. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for an opening range at open, and then I'll see what happens. But this drop here on Tesla, right? We probably should have seen this coming. All right, multiple levels of support, breaks down, and then creates a falling wedge. All right, obviously the reverse falling wedge. All right, and then a drop. Every single time that will happen. For anyone saying they should have done this or they should have done that, it's a bad mindset to have, right? Don't look back in the past, right? You could have done this, you could have done that, whatever it may be. You can't change it now. So focus on what you can do today to, you know, become better. What is everyone looking at? You swung Google and Roblox puts. Nice. At open, I'm just chilling, right? Fridays are not for being aggressive, especially when the market's down, you know, almost 2% or 1.5% pre-market. But what we can do is we can inverse all the charts, right? Because it kind of looks like we're entering a downtrend again. That's definitely what we could do. Cooper, not really a good not really a good mindset or, you know, question to ask. Doesn't really matter where it goes. Play the levels, right? It doesn't matter if the market goes up or down for a day trader, right? If you're an investor, then it matters, right? You want the market to go in your direction, up. But as a day trader, it doesn't really matter if the market goes up or down, right? We just need setups. We need good plans to put in place. And everyone needs to think that. Everyone needs to know that, you know, if you're trading the chart, right? If you're not trading the chart, if you trade off something else, more power to you, and, you know, whatever works best for you. But if you're a day trader and you play off the chart, it doesn't really matter where the market's going to go. See what we got. I've been loving looking at Apple to help me determine where SPX is going to go, right? So Apple and VIX. Obviously Apple is, you know, the largest name in SPY. So it obviously is a huge factor, but, you know, just seeing where that's going to go, you know, big factor in helping determine where SPY and SPX are going to go. Yep. Easy to say, you know, what you should have done after you've seen the move, right? Hindsight is a killer. And, you know, you can't change it now, so don't even think about it. Right? And it's going to happen hundreds of times, thousands of times in your future if you continue to trade. Right? I've missed thousands of opportunities. There's no point in looking back at them. I can't change it now. Right? Just look forward. What can we do today to do better? Right? What setups do we have today that we could potentially trade? Here's Apple, right? We did have this wedge. This is the inverse chart, right? So it was a kind of a great pattern for a reversal, but market news took the market down, invalidated the setup, and now we need to move on and look for the next setup. Yeah, Raphael, you know, sometimes there's not going to be any setups and you don't need to trade every week, right? No trade is better than a losing trade, right? And it's never a bad idea to, you know, just sit on the sidelines, watch the market, you know, even paper trade if you want. All right. Let's see. Everything's down big pre-market. Just gonna have to wait till market open to chart anything. All right. What I'll be doing is I'll just be waiting for that opening range. Amazon's down a ton, over 3%. Let's see, what's the strongest? Apple is only down 1.3% compared to everything else being down a ton more. Nothing's green except VIX. Okay, this is what we need to watch. Everyone needs to keep an eye on the VIX today. Everyone needs to keep an eye on VIX. VIX is going to tell us what to do, right? Falling wedge break, perfect. Rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and now it's sitting here again. Set an alert at the high here, right at 28.15. I said it a little bit before. This is what we need to watch. If this breaks, SPX puts can pay big. All right, let's see what the next resistance is on VIX. Let's go to a larger time frame. Take a look, see if we see anything, any common levels of resistance, right? So first of all, the most recent rejection. Right, this level that I just charted here, right, the 2906. Right, previous resistance, all right, acted as resistance here, right, multiple times it rejected. All right, so that's, you know, one level we need to look out for. That's what I'm going to look at here. What does quad witching usually mean for day trading? It's going to be volatile. All these funds have to reposition their funds, so they're buying and selling very large amounts of money, right, which means price action goes back and forth very quickly. You see some big moves, some weird candles. It typically happens within the last hour to or 30 minutes or so of the trading day. This is what we need to watch. I'm going to keep this open for a little bit. Need to see what happens here. I do not look at RSI. I don't really like, I have it here. I never look at it though. I just find it irrelevant. Support and resistance is the only thing I'll take a look at. It's the simplest and it works the best. If everyone can drop a like on the video, I would really appreciate it. Support and resistance. We're at 47 likes. We got 150 people here. We'd really appreciate it if we can get over 100. See what we got on the dashboard from yesterday. What was the top flow yesterday, actually? SPY and right, SPY had bullish flow, right? Kind of interesting how, right? Obviously news affects everything. No one anticipated it. It's kind of crazy. Right, yesterday there was 9 million worth of SPY flow. Today, and then there was only about 2 million worth of bearish flow. Hernandez, appreciate you being here. What's up, Gabriel? Getting better at playing wedges. It's amazing. What's up, Alka? Alka said, anybody on the fence about getting a one-on-one, do it. Learn a ton. You won't regret it. Appreciate it. Looking forward to seeing your progress. I love seeing everyone's progress after a one-on-one. Just posted SPY VIX levels in pro trading floor. Let's see what we got. What's your name? FIFA Trader? Let's see what we got. Let's see what Raphael's got, ladies and gentlemen. 382.50, 380.70, 378. We see mid 370s in his opinion. Let's see. Keep an eye on not buying closeless fixes. Okay. I love seeing everyone's charts. I love it. He's got his levels charted out, right? He's got a plan, and that's all that matters. Well done. Keep it up, bud. So, you know, something we can do, like what Raphael just mentioned, is for the flow at open, right? Have it on out of the money, right? Out of the money calls, out of the money puts, and flow greater than, you know, on zero data expiration, I really wouldn't do 250. I would do, you know, greater than or, you know, 100,000 or so. Greater than or equals to 100,000. Right, and then when the market opens, it will populate, and we'll see the big orders that are expiring today. Right, if someone is putting over $100,000 in something that expires today, it gives you much more conviction for the play. Right. They got to have a better idea or some inside knowledge or something, right? They got to be on the floor at Wall Street. It's a lot of money to be putting in something that expires today, you know, especially if it's out of the money. Do different screeners get info from, yeah, obviously, you know, everyone pulls data from different places, so it could be a little bit different everywhere. Blastoise said, tips on entries for wedge breakouts. Find myself always trying to get sniper entries and missing my fills by 10 to 30 cents. Don't really focus too much on the entry point, right? You need to just enter in the general region, right? So for this flag, for example, right? Entries at the break, right? Stop loss is below, and your price target is the high every time. Simple as that. All right, there's a PDF in the Discord. Let me pull it up. This chart here, like the most important chart in my trading career. This is everything I trade, right? It gives you the stop loss, entry, and price target for every single pattern, right? Continuation patterns and reversal chart patterns. definitely suggest screenshotting this, or it's in the Discord too. If you can't find it, just ping me. I'll send it to you. But definitely take a screenshot if you don't have it, and keep an eye. Just another note: this description here is incorrect under rising wedge. Right? It says head and shoulders. It's not correct. Just so you know. I can copy it and paste it in the Discord though. Again, in the market resources section. Under BullTrades University, under books, it's in the market resources section. Just posted it. Everyone should be able to see that. Yeah, always look back at that chart. That's like perfect for where to enter, where to sell, and where to take profit every time. And then if you want more detail on it, right, ask me on my Sunday stream and we have a little bit more time. Or do a one-on-one. And I'll be more than happy to go very in-depth with you on it. But again, before market opens, 9 minutes to market open. Just going to be sitting sides until we have kind of an opening range. No specific time frame for an opening range, right? Just waiting for a low of the day and a high of the day, whether it be 5 minutes into the market or 30 minutes into the market. I just want to see a setup, right, with the intraday price action. That's all I'm looking for. Right, weakness in pre-market here. So again, just sitting sidelines. Fridays are not for aggressiveness, right? Fridays are, especially on quad witching, right? OPEX and quad witching, got to keep an eye out and be risk first, and then trade safe. Trade safe. Yeah, taking profits. Thank you for bringing that up. I will be streaming Sunday morning, hopefully. My birthday is Sunday, and I will be going out Saturday, Saturday night. And let's hope I'm not too hungover to stream Sunday morning. So as of now, the plan is to stream Sunday morning to not interfere with football. I know a lot of people here are football fans, as I am myself. Love to watch and spend Sunday watching football. So just planning on doing it at 11 or 12 a.m. 11 a.m. or 12 noon. But if I'm too hungover, there's no way I could do that. And I'll do it Sunday night. Oh, your birthday was yesterday? Happy birthday. That's awesome. For anyone asking where it is in the Discord, it's right here. BullTrades University. I'm pretty sure you need to be a member to see it. Thank you, Alka. Six minutes to market open. Anyone doing fantasy football? Ooh, the Niners. My poor Giants. Anyone watch the Chiefs game last night? Packers and Bears for Sunday Night Football. Should be interesting. Oh yeah. Who are the Niners playing? Oh, Seahawks. No, you shouldn't be scared. They're minus 8.5. Yeah, Herbert is on fire. He had some sweet throws. He's been killing it. The Chargers are good. Yep, plan the trade, trade the plan. What time frame is BT Cloud best used for? It's totally opinion based. I know a bunch of people use it on the 15-minute, the 5-minute. Some people use it on the hour. There's really no specific best time frame. All right, market's going to be opening here in 4 minutes. Let's go head over to the Discord. Appreciate that, Omar. I will see you guys in the Discord. Let's have a good day. See you there.
Any zeros, like everything is 1 week expiration.
Beautiful.
At least
that's how you do it. Yep.
That's the way to go. Yeah, like you can't try to do zeros on today. It's just too much, and you're gonna get wrecked.
Right, and let's say that you had a very profitable week. % out of that profit and play with it.